Thank you for joining me again on this edition on my channel Aviation Info, where as usual I will always bring to you updates about the aviation sector. Have you ever wondered how the toilets of an aircraft are being drained? Have you ever wondered what happens if the toilets get full in flight? In today's video, it shall be an overview how the toilets of an aircraft are manually being drained. Meanwhile, are you still new to my channel Aviation Info? Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified first when I upload content. During the process of draining the toilets of an aircraft, a ground service vehicle is being connected to the aircraft. With the automatic drainage system, once the connection between the aircraft waste reservoir and the ground service equipment has been established, the ground service vehicle then exerts a suction force from the reservoir. This suction force will cause the waste in the aircraft reservoir to flow downward into the reservoir of the ground service equipment. Meanwhile, with the manual drainage system, what happens is that the waste from the reservoir, after being opened, it flows down due to the pressure difference between the reservoir of the aircraft and the reservoir in the ground service vehicle. Meanwhile, we will allow you to watch exactly what happens all through the process. Do not forget to subscribe to Aviation Info so you never miss any of our amazing uploads.